Am I the only one that didn't know spring is here and your garden needs some love? Are you ready? What tools do the pros use to turn that winter mess into a blooming paradise? Stick around for the top 5 must-haves for spring garden prep. We're talking game changers, some you've never considered, and pro tips to make your prep a breeze. If you're excited, hit that like button, share this with your gardening crew, and subscribe so you never miss a tip. Let's jump into tool number 1. This little guy's your best friend for planting bulbs, scooping soil, and tackling small weeds. Ever wonder how pros get those perfect tulip rows? It starts here. Look for a forged stainless steel trowel with a comfy ergonomic grip. Durability matters. Mark depth lines on the blade with a Sharpie, say 3 and 6 inches, so you're planting at the exact depth every time. Consistency's key. But what about bigger jobs? Tool 2's got you covered. Curious why your soil's still hard as rock? A garden fork breaks up compacted dirt and aerates like a champ. Think of it as a spa day for your roots. Go for a forged steel head with a solid ash handle. Lightweight but tough enough for clay soils. Work in a rocking motion, not a stabbing one, to save your back and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Now let's trim the chaos with tool 3. Dead branches, overgrown shrubs. Spring's the time to prune, and good shears make it surgical. Ever seen a rose bush bounce back twice as strong? This is how. Bypass shears with a carbon steel blade, sharp, clean cuts every time. Skip the cheap ones, they'll mangle your plants. Disinfect the blades with rubbing alcohol between cuts to stop disease spread. Pros never skip this. Next up, a tool that'll save your knees. Wonder why some gardeners work for hours without groaning? A kneeling pad or kneeler keeps you comfy while weeding or planting. Get a thick foam pad or a kneeler with handles to help you stand. Your joints will thank you. Pair it with a lightweight stool for quick breaks. Pros pace themselves to last all season. Last but not least, tool 5's a classic. Hauling mulch, soil, or clippings. Nothing beats a wheelbarrow for heavy lifting. Curious how pros move mountains? This is it. Single wheel for maneuverability, steel tray for durability. Load it up. Keep the tire inflated and spray the tray with cooking oil to stop sticky soil from clinging. So, there you have it. Hand trowel, garden fork, pruning shears, kneeling pad, and wheelbarrow. Your spring garden's about to level up. Which tool are you grabbing first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. If this helped you get ready for spring, smash that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more gardening gold. See you in the dirt.